How to practice English speaking alone at home. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to speak English better, but you have no one to talk to? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to practice English speaking alone using real life role plays. It's easy, it's fun, and it really works. Let's start. What is a role play? A role play is like a tiny movie. You need to pretend to be two people. For example, you are the customer and you're also the shopkeeper. You speak both parts out loud. This helps your brain and your mouth to get used to English words. So our role play one will be at a coffee shop. So here, Anna is going to put on a scarf representing the customer. And again, on the other hand, she's going to put on an apron representing the barista. So let's jump right in. Let us begin. Hello. What can I get for you today? Hi, can I have a medium latte, please? Sure. Anything else? No, thank you. How much is it? That's $5, please. Now it's your turn. I will leave a pause. You say the customer's lines for me. Hello, what can I get for you today? Hi, can I have a medium latte, please? Sure. Anything else? No, thank you. How much is it? That's $5, please. Well done. Let's move on to role play 2. Meeting a new friend. Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Zora. Where are you from, Zora? I'm from Zimbabwe. And you? I'm from Italy. Repeat the sentences every morning. Speak loudly and don't be shy. You can also repeat the same dialogue. You can be me and I will be Zora. Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Zora. Where are you from, Sora? I'm from Zimbabwe. And you? I'm from Italy. Well done. Here are the 3 tips for practicing alone. Use a mirror. Look at your mouth when you speak. Record yourself. Use your phone to listen to your voice. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep trying. Role play 4. Asking for directions. Excuse me, where's the library? Go straight and turn left. It is next to the park.
Role play 5.
Simple health in
English.
How are you feeling today? I have a little headache. I will get you some water and your medicine. Oh, thank you. Role play 5. At the grocery store. How much are these red apples? They are $2 for a bag. Okay, I'll take one bag, please. And that's it for today's lesson. Practice these role plays this week. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to Simple English with Anna. And subscribe to our channel. Tell me in the comments, what other scenes do you want to practice? See you in the next video. Goodbye.